Hi everyone, I'm Simon. I'm doing my PhD in the CrowdWater project, and in this project we're collecting water levels and stream flow data for hydrological modeling. With the CrowdWater data that we collect, we can calibrate hydrological models, and these models can then be used to make flood forecasts in rivers. So the idea of the CrowdWater project emerged from the fact that many countries don't invest anymore in building more measurement stations, more water level measurement infrastructure, and therefore we wanted to find a way to collect in a very easy approach as much water level as possible by also being cost effective. So far we have several users in the app that contribute stream flow data regularly that we then can use for the hydrological modeling. The number of data that we can achieve in this way is way higher than if we would do it all by ourselves. Well, to join in the CrowdWater project, all you have to do is download the CrowdWater SPOTTERON app. As soon as you have the app, you can go to any river you want and set up spots, set up measurement stations, and then build up time series of water levels. If you want to enter water level data into the CrowdWater app, all you have to do is go to a river and then click on this button in the app to add a new spot. You can then click here on water level, and the next step you have to do is taking a picture of the current situation. In the background we have this beautiful stuff gauge that will serve as a reference. So we take a picture of this stuff gauge, and in the next step the image editor opens up. Now we can choose between three different stuff gauges, and we choose the low water level stuff gauge because the water level is not very high. We then line up the blue line of this stuff gauge with the water level. So the next step is we click OK, and we have a reference image. If you don't find such a beautiful stuff gauge in your river, you have to go to find a vertical structure on the other side of the river that will serve as a reference. Once you have this picture ready, you can click here on save and upload this picture. That's it. The second thing you can do in the CrowdWater app is to measure soil moisture. For this, we can go to an area with open soil, we can put our hands to the ground and sense how moist the soil is. So if I click here, I add a new spot, I choose the soil moisture icon, and I choose one of the categories. In this case, the soil is dry, and the backpack that I would put here on the ground would stay dry. So I click on the dry button, upload the measurement, and that's it. The third data type that you can enter in the CrowdWater app are temporary streams. So here we have a perfectly dry stream bed, but sometimes it may have water when it rains a lot. So to enter this data into the app, you go into the temporary stream section and then you choose dry here because this riverbed is perfectly dry. That's it. All you have to do is to upload and you're done. For the CrowdWater app, we use the SPOTTERON citizen science platform because it offers many different features that can be used specifically by our project, but also other features that can be used by other projects too.
So who's Droppy?
Droppy is our mascot. He's the first CrowdWater user and he's enjoying it the most of everyone. So most contributions in CrowdWater are from Droppy himself. No, I'm just joking. He's our mascot, but he's quite cute and he represents all the potential users that can in the end benefit from the CrowdWater data. So if you check out our video of Droppy and all his colleagues working in water industry, being a gardener, kayakers and so on, yeah, you can see the various benefits the CrowdWater data in the end could potentially have.